Good day guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to send money from your Revolut account straight to Wise. So you can start by opening the Wise app or website and of course log in. Go to your balances tab and choose the currency account where you want to receive it. Then tap add or account details. Here you'll see your bank details such as IBAN, sort code or account number. Depending on the currency, copy these details. Now switch to the Revolut app. On the home screen, tap Transfers, then Send. Choose bank recipient if you haven't saved Wise yet. Paste the Wise account details you copied earlier and make sure the recipient name matches exactly with your Wise profile name. Next, enter the amount you wish to send. Select the correct currency and check any conversion fees Revolut shows. Tap Continue, then choose the source account or card you want to use for payment. And before you send, double check that the account details and name are correct, then tap Send. Revolut will process the payment and the money should arrive in your Wise balance, often instantly or within a few hours, depending on the currency and payment method. So that's pretty much it. Your funds have successfully moved from Revolut into Wise. If you found this tutorial useful, hit like and subscribe for more quick money transfer guides.